Hello dear class 6 students, welcome to the e-learning class of Rogers Academy. Today we are going to study history and the chapter is chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is, as you can see, the Indus Valley Civilization. Okay. So, before knowing anything in detail, we need to understand the very topic of the chapter. Okay. The Indus Valley Civilization. So basically Indus is the name of a river. Indus is the name of the river. This Indus Valley Civilization is also called as Harappan Civilization because this river Indus was in the place or in the land called Harappa. Okay. And we need to see the term or the meaning of the word civilization. So if you will take in a simple term, the meaning of civilization can be said as advancement or can be also termed as development. Okay, as when we grow, when we become better from what we were, we are civilized. Okay, we are civilized when we go to school, when we learn good manners, when we learn or understand moral values, we become more civilized, right? We know what is good, what is wrong, and what is right. We can differentiate between good and bad, right? So we can say ourselves that we are more civilized. Understood? We know that how we should behave, how we shouldn't behave. So these all comes under a civilized manner. So this is basically called the Indus Valley Civilization, which happened in the place called Harappa, and this civilization is also called as the Harappan Civilization. It was the earliest civilization. Understood? It was the earliest urban civilization. It happened a long time ago. So first, before, let us understand the term civilization and let us understand the introduction of the chapter today. So just see page number page number 19. Okay, the word civilization means an organized culture of many communities or of a people or of a nation. So what it basically means, civilization means where a group of people are organized. They are organized or they are in a systematic way living in the community, means society. Okay, or we can also say that a civilization is a transformation or a shift or also a raised from primitive to advanced state, which means from a barbarian stage to a more better state. Now what is barbarian? When human beings were uncivilized, we can term the barbarian to be as, the early humans were very barbarian in their nature. They didn't know what is good, what is bad, what should we eat, what we should not eat. They didn't know anything, right? So they were called as primitive people, or were at that barbarian state. Okay. So you see further, it is to raise people from a primitive stage to an advanced and ordered stage of development in politics, society and culture. So this civilization means what? When people have a good understanding of their society, of their culture, of politics and of their life. Okay. Civilization is commonly used to mean people who are not savages or barbarian, who are not uncivilized, but possess refinement and culture and have high level of cultural and technological development. So when we tell that person is a very civilized person or that country is a very civilized country, means it is very developed nation. Okay, developed in every aspects, like in technology, politics, every aspects of life, socially very advanced. So that is called to be as civilized. The villages of Neolithic age, new age, right? We have Paleolithic age, then Mesolithic age, then Neolithic age. The villages of Neolithic age grew into towns and cities around rivers between 4000 BCE and 600 BCE. So what happened? Before, as the early human used to live in the jungles, they didn't have proper home, their life was not settled, but slowly and steadily they began to settle down in a group in a particular place, and they start building up their particular home. So that is how society grew, that is how people started living in groups, and that is how people began to form a community. Okay, so for striving for more and more advancement, people began for such a civilization. Okay, so this civilization again happened in which place? It began in Harappa, and it began in the river valleys of Indus. The name of the river is Indus. Okay, so just see, This is the period when the first civilization came into existence in the world. So the Indus Valley civilization is considered to be the first civilization. The first civilization or the ancient civilization are called River Valley civilization. So earlier, all the civilizations which is very old, ancient, it happened around the river. Why? Just see, for the agricultural purpose, right? They need to survive. They need to grow crops, eat that food, right? So for that purpose, agriculture was the medium to the survival. Okay, because they grew near riverbanks, like I said you, where it was conducive for agriculture, so it was very feasible to grow crops over there for agriculture. Okay, rivers served as a constant source of water for agriculture. For growing crops, what do we need? We need to water, right? So river became that source where we used to get, where that human beings used to get unlimited water, and the soil on their banks was highly fertile due to recurrent floods. Okay, now besides the river were an easy mode of travel by boats and rafts. So people used to travel by boats and rafts through the river. Okay, another important feature of the River Valley civilization was that they invented and used bronze metal. So at this time, during this civilization, people started using bronze metal. They started using the things made by bronze. Okay, alloy for making tools and implement. Hence, the civilization was also called as Bronze Civilization. Understood? Because the metals were used made out of bronze. Understood? So, we'll do till here right now. And in the next class, we shall continue further. We'll study in more detailed manner about the Indus Valley civilization. I request you all to read the book, go through it, and try to understand. I'll definitely teach you, but even if you read it, it's better. So till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.